Going up.
These are the elevators in the main building here at the Wyndham Canterbury.
These are like the coolest elevators in San Fran.
Tenth floor.
Ones were replaced.
Going down.
A speed test.
Second floor. Going up.
350.
350.
They'll seem way now. Short floor heights, that's what it is. I was gonna say it'll seem way faster than 350.
This one is a single slide.
Has its own call up too.
Oh, yeah.
Going up.
I wonder why. Maybe this is like the service, I guess.
Oh, this one has the original buttons.
Different beep too.
The more normal sounding one.
Tenth floor.
I don't know, that one sounds a tiny bit off too.
Yeah, it's a bit deep.
Yeah.
Look at
Going down.
Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. It's locked.
Second floor.
Going down. Oh,
Going up.
look at the counter rate for the door.
Oh,
There it goes.
very nice.
Right.
Going up. Going up. Going up.
Okay, we get it.
Wait, which direction is it going?
Sideways?